Hello you all, what is going on? Thank you so much for tuning into your informational video for your personality number. My name is Jocelyn, other known as Renae, and I thank you guys so much for being here on this channel with me, and also thank you so much for all your likes, comments, shares, and subscribes. It is greatly appreciated on a whole nother level. Alright, so before I can get into what your personality number means for you, let me just give you a quick little insight of what your personality number represents in your numerology chart. Now, as in astrology, we have a rising sign. In the numerology, we have a personality number. So it's just the same as your rising sign would be in your astrology chart. It is the first impression of how others see you when they first meet you. So this is not to define who you are. This is just to give you a quick insight and just give you a quick little information and let you know what other people perceive about you. Now, in your personality number, it is calculated by the consonants in your full birth name. So it'll only be the consonants and then you'll add it up that way. Now, some people like to use the subtraction method. And what you do is you'll subtract your destiny number minus your soul urge number. I personally don't like to do that because it varies. Now, when I personally subtract my destiny number and soul urge number, it does equal up to my personality number. But some people, I've noticed that it hasn't. It's been a little off. So that's why I just like to use the version of just adding up your consonants in your name, and then that will be your personality number. So if you've added up the consonants in your name and the total became a 6, this is the personality video for you. So as we all know, in astrology, each sign is ruled by a different planet. So in numerology, it's just the same. So in numerology, the number 6 is ruled by the planet of Venus. So it's that Taurus, Libra energy, very nurturing, very beautiful energy. So as a personality number 6, people see you as that. It's very nurturing, very beautiful on the inside and out. And they tend to look at you, I like to call it like a moth to a flame. So you tend to gravitate a lot of energies towards you because you are so beautiful. You do come off as a very beautiful, serene, caring energy. And people just want to come up to you and just get to know you and talk to you and tell you all of their business. So as a 6, like I said, because you are that nurturing and that beautiful, harmonious number, you tend to attract a lot of narcissistic energies. You tend to attract energies that want to only use you for the beauty and for the caring qualities that you do have. So you have to be really mindful of not being anybody else's doormat. As a personality number 6, your energy gives off to people where you can be that doormat, where you are that person that, okay, I can just go to this person, lean on their shoulder to cry on and leave. I don't want to have to hear anything else from them. I just want to go to them so that they can hear my worries, but I don't have to hear theirs. So you have to be very mindful of that because, like I said, it's just the energy that you give off. You give off that very soft, nurturing energy, that compassionate energy, and people tend to use that. Like I said, be very mindful of that as well. Also, as a 6, you are seen as the person that is like I want to say like a psychiatrist or a psychologist. Like I said, like people just tend to come up to you, even just in the store. Like people just tend to just come up to you and just tell you all their business, and you sitting there looking like, okay, I don't know this person, like why are they telling me all this? That's just because, like I said, your energy gives off to that. I just want to pour out to 6. I just want to tell them what I'm going through and just put it on them and release it on them, and then they, you know, get it from somebody else. So just be mindful of being taken advantage of as well. Allow people, you know, you can be that nurturer. We're all here to help others out. We're all here to be that nurturer. We're all here to be that caring, compassionate person for someone else's life. But you have to understand that you need that compassion from somebody else as well. So be mindful of being the doormat. Be mindful for people using your energy for really what it is. People also tend to see you as a worrier. You tend to worry a lot. So for example, if you have, like, let's say right now you have 98% of your life is going right, people tend to see you as that person that worries about the 2% that's not going right. So like I said, it's not really what you say, it's how you say it. So you come off as that person that worries. You come off as that person that, you know, even though that you have it together, you really don't have it together. You always find a negative in something. So people do tend to see that. So even when you are that person, that shoulder to cry on, even if you go to somebody and you are that shoulder to cry on, or they're that shoulder that you can cry on as well, they tend to look at you like you really don't have any problems because you're worrying about the 2% instead of focusing on the 98% that is going well for you. You can also come off as a very frugal individual, very thrifty individual. You're always looking for the deals. So I call it thrifty, but other people that may see you sixes, they call it as cheap. They call it as you always complaining about, well, I don't have enough money. Like you can worry about spending $5 on a burger, and people like, oh, dang, like, you know, you don't have to be so frugal with your money. Like you can release control of different things that are not going right in your life, and you can release different control of you feeling like you don't have enough, because you always are going to have enough. As a 6 though, you are a very easygoing person. So that's why also people tend to come up to you, because you seem like you're very easygoing. You're seeing like you're very understanding as well. People tend to come to you for a lot of advice when it comes to their different family endeavors and when it comes to their work life, and then just when it comes to their emotional needs as well. Because like I said, you come off as a very nurturing person. You come off as a person that's very easygoing, and you do come off as a person that already has it together emotionally. So people tend to come to you for a lot of relationship advice, advice when it comes to anything that is the matters of your own heart, or the matters of their heart, should I say. People tend to come to you for that because you seem like you already have that nurturing qualities, and that you don't really need to be nurturing. So like I said, just make sure that you are really mindful of being that doormat. It's always good to be that assistance to other people when they do need help. But like I said, you don't need to be a doormat and be there for them all the time when they need someone to wipe their feet off of, okay? So thank you guys so much for tuning into this informational video. I greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, just make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, to see more videos like so in the near future, make sure you hit that subscribe notification bell. Again, I thank you all so much for your time, and I love and appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.